on the topic of is technology increase the quality of life. First of all, thank you Siddharth sir for giving me a wonderful opportunity. Now my team members tell some points about favor of is technology increasing the quality of life.
Obviously, technology gives the quality of human being life to to enhancing their quality of life by many ways. We know that in the last 10 years, the life changed very fastly because in corona time, technology gives many things to us, such as giving businessmen to sell their products online, and for the students, online classes are available, and many of the workers means those people who work in office that's do their work uh, at home, work from home.
Every coins have two faces. One of them is favor and one of them is against. I think in this way, my topic is technology is increase the quality of life. I think there is just so many favors on this field because according to census 1917 to 1918 is the revolution of technology. Is a revolution of technology, and time to time technology increases and the quality of peoples of living their standards in their fields is in maybe business, in the maybe education, in maybe working have increasing. So I don't think that technology does not increase the quality of life.
Good afternoon, everyone. So today's topic is technology increasing people's quality of life or not? So my teammates is Vishaka and Sulakshi. So she will start against in the topic in this topic. So technology, you have told that technology has helped in many ways and in education, online education, in anything. But just tell me one thing that people who cannot afford, I mean. Online education too, because smartphones are not very cheap. They are not sold in a very cheap price, and if you buy if you want to just take the online education, you must buy one smartphone, and that smartphone is will not work properly if its cost is less than 8,000 or 9,000. So how can people afford that? And then again, every month they have to recharge their mobile phones in order to get the internet connection. So how it is
As we know that our government system also provide us some of technologies instruments such as phones, such as
no, government has not provided.
government have also provided some phones in our college, our institute. Phones are also provided, but there
But
is
in
some
COVID times, survey has been done, and it is said that most of the student, 95% of the student in government school, they cannot afford smartphones in order to get the online education. Teachers were they're telling that online education, online classes are
as
going
you said
on, but
that
students are not connecting with it. But
as you
the problem was
said
that smartphone was not available for
as
them.
you said that price the phone cost is less than 8,000. It does not affordable by poor person. I'm right?
Yes.
No, I think this is not a good information about you about this technology phones regarding, because I think if the phone cost is less than 3,000 and then free internet provides in railways, in our also college free internet. If someone's wants to study, if someone have a courage to study, someone's curiosity
If
about.
someone has courage to study from online education, they can also study from offline education. You have told that they can get the internet from railway station and
In
anything
online
else, but
education, but in
COVID
online
time,
education
in
they also
COVID.
provide a better education than the offline.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
yeah, because
So it means
base
before
faculty,
online education,
base faculty
there were
from the
no
all over the
scientists,
India,
no.
faculty all over the India has also provided free education in YouTube's, in many more platforms. But they also needs a Wi-Fi, they also needs the internet. You said that internet, but internet also free in all hours. Some of the some of government areas the internet
then they have
facilities-
to go in the government area, na? So how technology has created the connection? Government has created.
Yes,
Humans have created.
yes. Our
Technology
topic
has not created.
our topic is technology increase the quality of life.
They
Yes,
are not-
yes. Their technology increases the life because of the technology. He study because of technology is he
Oh, okay,
study
so
online
before
centers.
technology, we are not studying.
No,
Our ancestors
I
were
don't know
not
said
studying.
our topic is technology is technology increase the quality of a life. Yes, it's because of technology our education system also increase depend on technologies. Our education system
Yeah,
also,
everything is depend on technology now.
no, totally not dependent. It's it's some
No, it's totally dependent. If there is no internet, you cannot use mobile phones. You cannot get the online classes.
then that's our point. If this is technology is totally dependent, then we are favors.
We are dependent on technology in such a way that we have just lost our creativity and everything. So we have to improve. We have to just, I mean, think about it, because technology is not increasing our standard of life, increasing our, qualities of life.